We'll guide you through how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers out there. I really like it as well for many different reasons. One of my favorite things is that I can go and have it synced with my Google account. So then across my other devices, I can use Chrome and my Google account and my search history will be there, my bookmarks, etc. So it's really convenient. As well as that, the password manager is really convenient as well. And also I just like using it. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and open up a web browser we have already on our computer and in order to go and get it. So for example, on Windows 11, you're going to have Microsoft Edge by default. So you can press search at the bottom, go and type in Edge or Microsoft Edge, click on it and it will go and open up. Now what you can do, you can go and press search at the top like this, and you want to go and type in Google Chrome like this, go search. Now you want to go and scroll down, make sure you find the official Google site, Chrome for desktop. This says google.co.uk, but you've also got google.com, official sites here. Here we are. So this is for Windows 11 or 10. We're using Windows 11. You can then choose if you want to go and have this option. Then you can press download Chrome like so, wait for it to download. It shouldn't take too long. So we can go and run the installer from the downloads in Edge, or you can go and open up your file explorer. You will need to then go to the left and you can go and press downloads, and then you can find the Chrome setup file. Go and double click on the Chrome setup file. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. Now it's going to start downloading the files that it needs. In the meantime, we'll go and close off this here. It shouldn't take long. It's got to download as before it was going and just getting the installer. When it finishes downloading, it will automatically start installing. Be patient while this completes. It shouldn't go and take too long, as you can see. When it goes and finishes as well, it's going to go and automatically open up, as you can see. Now, because I've had this on my computer before, my Google accounts are here. For you, you can go and press sign in the bottom right and sign in and start syncing your data. And that's it. Then at the top, we can go and press set as default, and we can make it the default browser by pressing set default, like so. If you found this useful, then leave a like.